If your child has an IEP and is turning 18, you may be worried about whether they're ready to make decisions about their IEP. Most staff at Pacer Center have a child or a young adult with a disability, like you. So we get it. This video gives you 3 steps that can help your 18-year-old gain the support and confidence they need to make IEP decisions. In Minnesota, when your child turns 18, they reach the age of majority. This means they have the legal rights of an adult unless you have court-awarded legal guardianship over them. If they have an IEP, they take on the responsibilities of making decisions about their IEP. Responsibilities that you've handled up to now as their parent on the IEP team. So your young adult will now be responsible for attending IEP meetings, advocating for what they need, and signing their agreement or disagreement to any proposal related to their IEP services. To help your young person take on these responsibilities, set aside some unhurried time to have a conversation with them. Step 1. Talk, share, ask, and listen. First, talk and share. Start off by assuring them that they can get support to make decisions about their IEP. Then share your experiences and how you learn to make decisions. Consider these conversation starters. If you ever asked a friend to attend an IEP meeting with you, share who you asked and why. When you had questions about the IEP, explain how you got the answers you needed. When you had choices to make, tell them how you decided. Share how you kept track of deadlines and paperwork. Then ask and listen. Ask your young adult what help they want with making decisions about their IEP. Ask if they have concerns about how their disability might affect this new responsibility. Then listen. They might say, "Processing a lot of new information triggers my anxiety. How can I make the right decision? With my ADHD, I'm afraid I'll struggle to focus on all of the discussions at meetings. What if I can't read or understand my IEP?" Whatever they say, assure them that most of their concerns can be addressed with new supports added to their IEP. Step 2. Help your young adult make a list of the decision-making supports they need based on the concerns they expressed. For example, they can ask the team to create a new annual goal on their IEP, focused on learning the skills required to make decisions about their services. Or they can ask for accommodations that will make it easier for them to participate in IEP meetings, such as having one-on-one time with their case manager to get a preview of the agenda for the next IEP meeting. This would provide time to ask questions about the topics and add their own ideas to the agenda, or having their IEP written at their reading level. Step 3. Help your young adult request an IEP meeting to get their list of decision-making supports added to their IEP. Coach them on their right to invite you to attend as a support person. They can sign a consent to release of information form and give it to their case manager to make this request. Let's review. Step 1. Talk, share, ask, and listen. Step 2. Help your young adult make a list of the decision-making supports they need. Step 3. Help them request an IEP team meeting to add these supports to their IEP. If you have more questions about how to help your young adult or your role or rights as a parent, contact Pacer Center. You can reach us online or call us and ask for a callback from a parent advocate. Help your young adult become a confident self-advocate. You can do this.